So, no start. 8.7. Batteries kaput again. So let's check first if it's an alternator issue. So my ever reliable jump starter. I think this has been what, 2 years? So most likely this will die also in the near future. One more. Oh, almost there, almost there. So I just want to start it so we can test the alternator. Now, I might need to jumper it from the Lancer. One more. There you go. There you go. Last. Because we don't want to repeat this too much, because it will heat up the batteries. There you go. Let's jump off and remove this quickly. So, moment of truth, alternator or battery. Yes, it's only the battery. It's charging. So, also buy battery. Unfortunately, we bought this in LA. Getting a warranty for this will be much more costly. So the shop is still closed. So I already called Iqbal. He is the shop manager. No, first. One-year warranty. Bad. That's bad. So I cannot claim the warranty. I'll probably play with it. But here's the thing with batteries. If it's below 10 volts, and you will see that the indicator on top of the battery is still green. The reason for it to go low is there's a chamber, what do you call it? I forgot the right term. Column that is dead. It might have a broken plate, so most likely this battery is kaput. So broken plate or sulfation, they're inevitable in high temp countries. So what to do? This is the place. XL battery. Iqbal,
Yes.
say hi.
Hi.
I'm very sorry to bother you. I forgot that it's Friday.
No, it's okay. No problem.
I forgot that
No
it's
problem,
Friday.
no problem.
So he gave me the
Mobis.
Mobis. From where is this?
From Indian.
From India. 15 months warranty. So battery is installed. The key for a long-lasting battery, a more long-lasting battery, is once you buy it, drive it for an hour or two first. So instead of me dropping this off to the wife, I'll drive this home, do some errands, and then pick her up later. So at least the battery will be topped up. And that's it. Let's see how long this will last. So this is a 15-month warranty battery. So before the 15 month, I think or maybe after. I think I need to open this